In critical industrial and electronic applications, even the smallest leak can affect long-term reliability and performance. That's why gross leak testing is an essential part of quality assurance and component validation. TMC-40 is an engineered fluid solution designed to support reliable and efficient gross leak testing processes across demanding applications. With stable performance characteristics and dependable results, TMC-40 helps industries improve testing confidence and operational reliability. At eControl Devices, we deliver more than products. We provide technical solutions backed by application support and industry expertise. eControl Devices, engineered solutions for advanced industrial applications.